Honorable Benomiti Demirin. And of course, their choreographer is Harold Subibi. Congratulations to all the Barangay Tayubo people. Congratulations. And now this time, let us hear some message from the choreographer or from the Punong Barangay o Barangay Tayubo. And before anything else, while we are still currently waiting, I would like to remind everybody that currently stop at on the Facebook Live due to very, very small technical difficulties. And we promise that we will get back later on. Once again, kamay lang yung technical difficulties. Magkabalik kami later on or maybe nakabalik na kami. Ayon. And of course, first and foremost, we would like to congratulate the Barangay Tayubo because for the information of everybody, Barangay Tayubo is one of the many barangays in La Carlota na highly devastated during the Bagyong Pino. Yes, that is why congratulations Barangay Tayubo for showing your resilience. Hello, sir. Now, hello, maayong gabi. Say hi, nanay, sir. Ayun. Sir, now the question is, what do you want to say or what do you want to, ihambal kung baga kung sa Tagalog o sa hiling inon pa sa mga taga Barangay Tayubo who is currently watching right now?
Before anything else, I would like to thank the effort and gratitude of the Barangay Council of Barangay Yugo, headed by our Kapitan Pinunidi Merit. For most sa amin yung concepts, Barangay Yugo is one of the rural part of barangay here in Carlota. I trained there with the conceptualized by the Garden of Rose, Diwata, companion or subordinate of Diwata, which is the giant itik or I don't know the English of that. Kikik.
Now this time, sir, I know that the Barangay Tayubo is one of the most devastated barangays during the Bagyong Pino. Now, what is your message naman sa ila this time?
Actually, we have 3 weeks or 4 weeks preparation for the Pasalan Festival together with the dancer. I saw there almost 300 families still in there sa evacuation center, and the barangay council still helping the evacuees.
Now, I've seen that your concept was nag-focus sa kikik, no? Kanami with a kikik. Now, what is, or can you share your creative vision to all of us here nga kikik?
Actually, kikik is kumbaga subordinate na sa or alagad sa Diwata, which is be considered sa fauna. And the flora is the rose flower.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for that information, sir. Once again, Barangay Tayubo. Maraming salamat and you